Okay, here's Miss Nippon 00. This is the prototype. What a lucky find. I restored this for a good friend of mine. He has quite a few boats. And what's the chances of finding a prototype? Hull number 00. Anyway, it just needed to repaint, clean everything. That's what I did. The video will be on YouTube shortly, showing the whole restoration. But it's all original paint scheme, everything. The only thing I added was the Miss Nippon decals that I had made, and to help spruce it up. But they were on there originally, they were just a mess. And everything is original, all the fittings, the windshield, everything. The lights work by the rear switch. See, up is off. Turn it on. Runs off a 1.5 volt battery. That's why they're not real bright. But anyway, twin horseshoe motors. She's a beauty. Came out really nice. I added the speedometer setup to it because it didn't come with that originally. I don't know why. They put everything else on these boats. And here it is here. There you can see the 00. It's the first one. I cleaned up all the horseshoe motors. They run great. Forward and reverse with the steering wheel switch. I polished up all the brass contacts. They're like new. Cleaned everything up. The spring universals, the brass props, everything. Underneath here, you can see all the beautiful brass props. They were originally painted red, but I keep them natural brass because I think they look better. That's the only deviation from original. And here, I'll turn it on. It's loud. Here's forward. That's off. That was reverse. Forward again. Off. Reverse. Off. I do that just to keep the steering wheel straight. Looks better. Anyway, there it is. All nicely restored. It's a beautiful boat. This boat is worth a premium over all the other 18-inch Miss Nippons because it's the first one, or it's the prototype 00. So it's also marked on the hatch 00. So this is a nice collector's piece, all restored, ready to go. There you go. Thanks for all the kind words on my boats. You can see all my videos at YouTube under ITO Boats or RC Craft. You can contact me at rccraft.com or give me a holler. Thanks again. Have a nice day.